Number 9, a cube b to the power 4 minus 3 into a to the power 7 into b to the power 7 divided by minus a cube b cube. At first we will be apply distribution law of division. A cube b to the power 4 minus a cube b cube minus 3 into a to the power 7 into b to the power 7 by minus a cube b cube. Here we will be apply the exponent law of division. That means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. Here similar base a and it will be connected divided sign, so their power will be subtracted. Similar base a, their power will be subtracted 3 minus 3 into similar base b, so their power will be subtracted 4 minus 3 minus similar base a, their power will be subtracted similar base b, their power will be subtracted minus subtracted value of 3 and 3 equals 0 into b to the power subtracted value of 4 and 3 equal 1 minus multiply minus plus 3 into similar base a, their subtracted value is 4 into similar base b, their subtracted value is 4. So we can write minus 1 into b plus 3 into a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equal minus b plus 3 a to the power 4 into b to the power 4. Number 10, 6 a to the power 5 b cube minus 9 a cube b to the power 4 divided by 3 a square b square. At first we will be apply distribution law of division. 6 a to the power 5 b cube by 3 a square b square minus 9 a cube b to the power 4 divided by 3 a square b square. So we can write 6 divided by 3 multiply a to the power 5 divided by a square multiply b cube divided by b square minus 9 by 3 into a cube by a square into b to the power 4 by b square. 6 divided by 3 equal 2 into here similar base a and it will be connected divided sign, so their power will be subtracted. Here similar base a, their power 5 minus 2 into similar base b, their power 3 minus 2 minus 9 divided by 3 equal 3 into here similar base a, their power will be subtracted into here similar base b, their power will be subtracted. into a to the power subtracted value of 5 minus 2 equal 3 into b to the power subtracted value of 3 minus 2 equal 1 minus 3 into similar base a, their power will be subtracted, so subtracted value as 3 minus 2 equal 1 into b to the power subtracted value of 4 minus 2 equal 2 equal to a cube b minus 3ab square. Number 11, 15x cube y cube plus 12x cube y square minus 12x to the power 5 y cube divided by 3x square y square. At first we will be apply distribution law of division. 15x cube y cube divided by 3x square y square plus 12x cube y square divided by 3x square y square minus 12x to the power 5 y cube divided by 3x square y square 15 divided by 3 into x cube divided by x square into y cube divided by y square plus 12 divided by 3 into x cube divided by x square into y square divided by y square minus 12 divided by 3 into x to the power 5 divided by x square into y cube divided by y square (15 divided by 3 equal 5) into here similar base x, so their power will be subtracted 3 minus 2 into similar base y, their power will be subtracted plus 12 divided by 3 equal 4 into similar base x, their power will be subtracted similar base y, their power will be subtracted minus 12 divided by 3 equal 4 into similar base x, their power will be subtracted similar base y, their power will be subtracted 5 into x, subtracted value of 3 minus 2 equal 1 into y, subtracted value of 3 minus 2 equal 1 plus 4 into x, subtracted value of 3 minus 2 equal 1 into y, subtracted value of 2 minus 2 equal 0 plus 4 into x, their subtracted value 5 minus 2 equal 3 into y, their subtracted value 3 minus 2 equal 1. So 5xy plus 4x, here y to the power 0 equal 1 plus 4x cube y. Number 12, 6x to the power 8 y to the power 6 z minus 4 x to the power 4 y cube z square plus 2x square y square z square divided by 2x square y square z. At first we will be apply distribution law of division. 6 x to the power 8 y to the power 6 z divided by 2 x square y square z minus 4 x to the power 4 y cube z square divided by 2 x square y square z plus 2x square y square z square divided by 2x square y square z. 6 divided by 2 into x to the power 8 divided by x square into y to the power 6 divided by y square into z divided by z minus 4 divided by 2 into x to the power 4 divided by x square into y cube divided by y square into z square divided by z plus 2 divided by 2 into x square divided by x square into y square divided by y square into z square divided by z. 6 divided by 2 equal 3 into similar base x, their power will be subtracted 8 minus 2 into similar base y, their power will be subtracted into z divided by z equal 1 minus 4 divided by 2 equal 2 into similar base x, their power will be subtracted into similar base y, their power will be subtracted into similar base z, their power will be subtracted. 2 divided by 2 equal 1 into x square divided by x square equal 1 into y square divided by y square equal 1 into similar base z, their power 2 minus 1 3 x to the power 8 minus 2 equals 6 into y, their power 6 minus 2 equals 4 minus 2 into x to the power 4 minus 2 equal 2 into y to the power 3 minus 2 equal 1 into z to the power 2 minus 1 equal 1 plus z to the power 2 minus 1 equal 1. 3x to the power 6 y to the power 4 minus 2 x square yz plus z.